and 4. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Okay, let's hit it. Woke up this morning to a cloudy day, so I brought that sunshine, 'cause I got that light. I'm optimistic each and every way, no worries inside. Here's a little advice. When your life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. You know what you do, what you say every single day. Don't let nothing get in your way. Turn it all around. Your mind has the ability to make a move. You can switch it up, change it up, so if it's a groove, it's the perfect time to pursue. You can make it through. So come my way, I will share my lemonade. You will always have bad days, but you can turn your thoughts around. When you need a hand, I'll be at my lemonade stand, and you're welcome to come whenever you want. Thank you, and thank you for singing and clapping along with me. That song was called Lemonade Stand. Alright, Melodians, stay smiling. I'll see you again soon.